Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off or on data tracking on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Now to turn off data tracking on Firestick, you want to come to settings and then move over to preferences. So under preferences, you see privacy settings. Click on that, then click on manage sharing from apps. So click on this first option and then just click on off. So this turns off the sharing of the information. You can also search, come down and click this as well, click turn it off as well. Collect app usage data, turn it off. Interest-based ads, you could turn that off as well. Amazon photos, you can leave that on so you have good screensavers. But if you do these settings, if you change what I've just changed here, that's going to work well, and it's going to turn off data tracking on Firestick. Now if that was useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.